Today I'm going to show you how I put together my Cinderella Halloween costume and makeup look. So first things first, I started off my base using the majority of the products that are actually my go-to recent routine. So I started off with concealing using the Huda Beauty concealer, then setting the cream product with the Huda Beauty loose baking powder. I then used my Too Faced matte bronzer and my NARS blush. I'll post everything exactly what I used down below to shop, as well as the colors that I specifically use if you're interested. I filled in my brows using the Dior brow pencil, and then moving on to the eyes. I first prep using a eyeshadow base. This primer helps the eyeshadow stay on longer, but also helps the pigment to really be more opaque. I used a baby blue eyeshadow, sweeping it across the entire lid, then really packing the color right over top as a second layer to get it to really stand out. Over top of that, to continue with the blue shade, but to give it that really beautiful silvery glittery sparkle, I added the Bobbi Brown long wear sparkle sticks. I'm obsessed with these. They are on the pricier side, but they're super long wearing, super pigmented, and so sparkly. I love them. I just felt like it was the perfect shade to go with this costume. Then I applied a highlight on the brow bone and inner corner. I also used that Bobbi Brown shimmer stick on the lower lash line, then applied mascara in my false lashes. I used a pretty neutral lip liner and a pale pink glittery gloss right over top. Then to finish the look, I just put my hair up in a messy bun, put on my costume, accessories, and finished everything with a glitter spray. You can never have too much glitter. This look was a huge hit. I was so happy with the way it turned out. If you guys have any more questions, be sure to check out the description box or comment them down below. Also check out the description box for all of the in-depth product information, direct links to shop, and discount codes. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and I will see you guys in the next video.